How to delete your Facebook account on PC. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open your Facebook in your PC. Now from here, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Now, when the list appears, go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select the option of Settings from this list. Now, wait for it to load. From here, tap on See More in Account Center. Now from here you will find the personal detail option, tap on it. Then select account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Now wait for it to load. Select your account. And if you want to delete it permanently, tap on delete account. But if it's temporary, tap on deactivate account. So we will tap on delete account for this video, then press on continue. Select any reason that you want to deactivate or delete your account. Here for an example, I have selected one. Tap on continue once again. Then you can give all this a read, and once you do that, just scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on continue once again. Now on to the final step, you just have to enter your password of your Facebook and then tap on continue. Then once you do that, your Facebook account will be deleted from your PC. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.